Hey, Aaron here with Superior Singing Method. This is how to sing and eliminate annoying nasal sound. Okay, how to sing and eliminate annoying nasal sound. Now, I want to help you improve the sound and the tone of your voice. Like if you don't like the sound of your voice, if you listen to like a recorded sound of your voice and you don't like it, or maybe somebody else has told you they don't like the sound of your voice. Anyway, I want to help you with that tone, and part of the tone that it sounds bad is if it's too nasally sounding. Now here's the deal. You'll hear me say to put some nose in, to actually use some of that pharyngeal, some of that kind of whiny pharyngeal sound. Like I do actually want that in your voice because that's how you get into your mixed voice. If you don't know these terms, don't worry about it. I'm going to give you some really simple things to do, but don't worry about that too much. But the mixed voice, just so you know, is like most like pop singers and most commercial type sounding, they use their mixed voice, which is a blend of their head voice and their chest voice. Again, if all these terminology, if you're getting lost in all this, you don't need to know any of this. Don't worry about that. I'll just give you what you actually do need to know. But so if you have too much of the nasal sound, then it actually squashes the resonance, the like full, big kind of meaty quality that you want in your voice. So do you want a little bit, but you don't want too much. And here's the thing, your soft palate, if you go on the roof of your mouth, like, that's your hard palate. And if you touch it with your tongue, the roof of your mouth, right there, that is your hard palate. And you can tell because it's pretty hard. But if you follow that all the way back to where it gets soft, like, back there it's kind of squishy. That's what's called your soft palate. And your soft palate is actually what makes something nasally or not nasally. So if it's like, watch, I'm like, hey, I'm Kermit the Frog, or hi, this hi, that kind of sound. That's like a raised soft palate. The soft palate is raised a little too much, and you can play with it. Do it like mess around with it. Do a voice like a Kermit the Frog voice. Hi, and that's like way up, and then down is like just flat as like, hey, like right now it's completely flat and that just sounds normal. So you actually want a little bit of that. Mess around with those different voices. You actually want to add a little bit of that into your singing. But if you notice that your singing is like too squashed and too nasally, I want you to get out of that, and I want you to get a feel for what it feels like when you're doing it or when you're not doing it. And here's what's actually going to help you too, is when you hit on consonants. So like most singing is vowels. Singing is about vowels. It's like A, E, I, O, U. Like those are the sounds that when you're actually singing, those are the sounds. The vowels are the sounds that you sing out and you hold out for a long time. You don't hear a lot of people like on consonants, right? Like T, B, like that's not singing. Consonants are not singing. So what's going to help you not be quite as nasally, especially on like the nasal consonants, like the N and M and like a NG, like those type of sounds, is all you want to do is when you get to those consonants in a song, you just want to tap on it. Like hit the consonant real quick and get right back into that vowel, and that'll help the tone of your voice as well. Cool. Hopefully that was helpful. I've actually got a quiz that I created. If you click the link below, free quiz to help you find out what your number one singing killer is. I've discovered that there are only a handful of singing killers that affect, from very beginner all the way to professional. There are a handful of singing killers that if you can discover what your number one singing killer is and fix that one, it has the ability to help you skyrocket your singing. It'll help you get unblocked from someplace. If you feel like you're kind of blocked in your singing, that may be one of the things. So click that link below. Take a quiz. Just the questions will take about 30 seconds, and it'll actually help you discover what your number one singing killer is. And then from there, I will send you a free video from there. It's all set up there. It's all automated. I'll send you a free video there that will help you with your specific, tailor-made to you and your specific number one singing killer, and show you how to fix it. Because I want you to reach your dreams as a singer. That's why I do this. So I hope you're great, and I will see you next time.